Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to delete your TikTok story on Android. If you have posted a story on TikTok and want to remove it, follow these simple steps. Open TikTok app on your Android device and log in to your account. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Go to your profile. At the top of your profile, you will see your active story highlighted in the story circle. Tap on it to view your story. While your story is playing, tap the three-dot menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Delete. A confirmation prompt will pop up. Tap Delete again to confirm. Your TikTok story has now been removed and is no longer visible to others. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick TikTok tips and tricks.